As with any rules or regulations, mandatory and voluntary quality standards must be properly enforced in order to realize an impact. A robust compliance framework uses a range of interventions to ensure adherence to laws and regulations and is essential to the implementation of quality standards for off-grid products. The framework ensures that products actually meet the established standards and that they perform as claimed. Without proper enforcement, substandard products can flood the market and the anticipated benefits of the standards cannot be realized.
Many countries lack effective regulation of off-grid solar products, which allows low-quality products to flood the market. For example, the 2020 Off-Grid Solar Market Trends Report showed that approximately 70% of the solar energy kits sold worldwide do not conform to international standards. Non-compliance rates and subsequent negative impacts are believed to be significantly higher in countries with new or nascent policies, especially where there is no standards enforcement.
Effective compliance interventions can address these transgressions and prevent future occurrences from happening. Let's take a look at how.
An effective approach to standards compliance must include conformity assessment, market surveillance, and enforcement. Before a product is placed on the market, the supplier tests their product at an accredited laboratory to verify it meets international quality standards. Test results should be submitted to a government-approved certification body who determines which products may enter the market by checking test results against the standards. In addition, governments can require that products be registered in a database before entering the market. A certification mark can be granted to show the product meets the standards. If products are imported, the government or a third party must inspect each shipment to check they are approved for market entry. Non-compliant products may still find their way to market. Authorities should regularly monitor internet and in-store sales to check for unregistered, unauthorized, and substandard products. Suspicious products can be tested and evaluated to verify whether or not they comply with the standards. To ensure transparency and accountability, the authorities should record and report their activities. When authorities identify a non-compliant product, the severity, impact, and intent of the offence must first be considered. The authority then enforces an appropriate action, reserving serious penalties for the most severe offences. If the policies and consequences of non-compliance are well communicated, manufacturers, importers, and retailers will be deterred from future mistakes. Authorities should continually monitor, evaluate, and improve their activities to eliminate non-compliant products from the market.
Verasol is an independent third-party certifier of solar energy kits and maintains an open-access online database of products that meet the international quality standards. National governments and other institutions that need to know which products meet these standards can use the Verasol products database to increase the effectiveness and decrease the cost of their compliance programs. Verasol can also provide technical assistance, support, and share resources with institutions that are interested in either setting up or strengthening their policy development and implementation process.
Enforcing quality standards as soon as they are adopted will benefit consumers, industry, and governments. Consumers will gain confidence that off-grid solar products will perform as promised and that their investment in those products is worth it while saving money. Industry will be able to competitively operate in a fair market that encourages investment and technological innovation in quality products. Governments will achieve a range of benefits that span economic, environmental, and health goals such as reduced air pollution and energy prices, in addition to increased energy access, productivity, and cost savings, all of which bolster industry and consumer trust in governments. Ultimately, a carefully thought out and appropriate approach to compliance will determine the success of inequality standards and policies, and when implemented properly, will benefit all.
For more information, please visit www.clasp.ngo and verasol.org.